Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English Practice. I am Sara and today we are talking about something that almost every English learner wants. How can you learn English faster? Maybe you study every day but you still feel nervous when speaking. Maybe you understand English videos but you cannot answer quickly. Or maybe you forget new words after only one day. If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today I will share 10 simple secrets that can help you improve your English faster. If your level is A1 or A2, these are not difficult grammar rules. These are real habits that successful English learners use every day. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning together. Secret number 1. Learn small but every day. Many students study English for 3 hours one day and then stop for 1 week. That does not work. Learning English is like exercising. Small daily practice is more powerful than long study once a week. Even 15 minutes every day can change your English. For example, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking. That's enough to build a strong habit. Remember this. Little practice every day creates big results. Secret number 2. Listen before you speak. Babies listen for many months before they speak. English learners should do the same. If you want to speak naturally, you must listen to natural English every day. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, English conversations, movies with subtitles. Do not worry if you understand only 50%. Your brain is learning the sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation. Try shadowing practice too. Listen to one sentence and repeat immediately. Example: I am learning English every day. Repeat: I am learning English every day. This improves pronunciation and confidence very fast. Secret number 3. Stop translating everything. This is a big problem for many learners. You hear English, then you translate into your language. Then you create an answer. Then you speak slowly. This takes too much time. Instead, learn English with pictures, actions, and simple meanings. For example, when you hear the word apple, see an apple in your mind. Do not translate it. Think directly in English. At first, it feels difficult, but slowly your brain becomes faster and your speaking becomes more natural. Secret number 4. Learn sentences, not only words. Many students memorize long vocabulary lists, but later they forget everything. Why? Because words alone are difficult to use. Instead, learn complete sentences. For example, don't learn only hungry. Learn I am hungry. I am really hungry. What do you want to eat? This helps you speak real English in conversations. Your brain remembers language better in patterns and sentences. Secret number 5. Speak even you make mistakes. Many learners wait for perfect English before speaking, but perfect English never comes first. Practice comes first. Mistakes are normal, mistakes are part of learning. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but finally the child walks confidently. English is the same. So speak more. Speak to yourself, speak in front of a mirror, speak with friends, speak online. Confidence grows through practice, not through silence. Secret number 6. Use English in your daily life. Do not keep English only inside your textbook. Bring English into your daily routine. For example, change your phone language to English. Write your shopping lists in English. Think in English while walking. Watch English reels. Read simple English posts. You can even describe your day in English. Example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I drank tea. I went to work. Simple daily practice makes English feel natural. Secret number 7. Repeat again and again. Many learners always search for new lessons, but repetition is very important. Listen to the same podcasts many times. Read the same story again. Repeat the same sentences. Why? Because repetition moves English into your long term memory. The first time you listen, maybe you understand 30%. The second time, 60%. The third time, maybe 90%. Repetition builds fluency. Secret number 8. Focus on high frequency English. Do not learn very difficult or rare words first. Start with common English used every day. Words like go, want, need, make, think, happy, tired, beautiful. These words are more useful in real conversations. Learn practical English first. For example, how was your day? What are you doing? I am a little busy today. Simple English is powerful English. Secret number 9. Read out loud. Silent reading is good, but reading out loud is even better for speaking practice. When you read aloud, your pronunciation improves, your mouth gets comfortable with English, your confidence increases. Take a short paragraph and read slowly. Then read again with more confidence. You can also record your voice. At first, maybe you will not like your pronunciation. That's okay. Even strong English speakers started as a beginner. Secret number 10. Enjoy the learning process. This is the most important secret. If English feels stressful all the time, you will lose motivation. So make learning fun. Watch videos you enjoy, listen to topics you love, sing English songs, learn with stories and conversations. Do not compare yourself to other learners. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own progress. Maybe today you know 10 new words. Maybe next month you can speak 1 full minute confidently. This is success. Small progress is still progress. Final motivation. Before we finish, remember this. You do not need to become perfect overnight. You only need to continue. One day of practice may feel small, but 100 days of practice can completely change your English. So start today, speak a little, listen a little, read a little, and slowly English will become part of your life. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Practice. I am Sarah and I am proud of you for improving your English step by step. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. And remember, practice English every day, and your future self will thank you. See you in the next episode.